Good Tuesday afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. Here's another view at that Hankinson, North Dakota location near the Dakota Magic Casino because that wind is still blowing that snow around. There's plenty of it, even though there's very little new snowfall at this hour. Now, I told you I would break down these very colorful weather maps, so let's dive right into it. We do have a blizzard warning in portions of southeastern North Dakota and the Southern Valley. Does not include Fargo. Fargo is in a winter storm warning, and both of those are until 6 o'clock this evening. Meanwhile, a few surrounding counties in purple are under a winter weather advisory. That includes areas like Grand Forks, Bemidji, and then down over towards Mobridge and Watertown, South Dakota. Not for new snow, but for some blowing and drifting snow, and again, those tough travel conditions. Meanwhile, snow's not all we're concerned about. We've got cold. A wind chill warning in effect for these areas in pink, including Langdon, Candu, Carrington, out towards Minot, even up into Hallock as well, and a wind chill advisory in the areas in purple because now that the snow is moving out, the cold is moving in. Current temperatures, we're at 15 below zero in Hallock at this hour, 12 below zero in Devil's Lake, 10 below zero in Grand Forks. We're at 8 below here in Fargo and in Jamestown, 5 below zero in Bemidji. But you factor in that wind that we still have, we're seeing some very cold wind chills, some improvement from what we saw early this morning, but feels like 37 below in Grand Forks, 36 below in Fargo and Devil's Lake, 34 below in Jamestown and Oaks. Definitely colder across eastern North Dakota and right through the heart of the valley. Conditions are a pinch better in northwestern Minnesota, but still have wind chill values in the teens and 20s below. Here's what we're looking at this afternoon on satellite and radar. Some clearing up across the north, and that's where some of that coldest air is settling in. Down in the Southern Valley, we're still holding on to fairly overcast skies, and it's kind of hard to see with the cloud cover, but some very light blues being picked up by satellite and radar with some very light snowfall activity. And I'm sure many people are happy about that after the heavy snowfall for some yesterday. Ellendale still seeing some moderate snowfall and points into South Dakota, but the main bulk of the snow now is pushing into southern Minnesota. As for wind, it's still sticking around, not quite as windy as we were yesterday, but still seeing a gust to 38 miles per hour in Oaks. Aberdeen, South Dakota, sustained wind out of the north at 29 miles per hour, gusting to 43. And in Fergus Falls, we're seeing a recent gust to 23 miles per hour. And that's enough to blow around the snow that had fallen yesterday. Visibility is down under a mile here in Fargo, half mile in Oaks, 2.5 miles in Fergus Falls, 1.7 miles in Wadena and Detroit Lake. So travel on the roads that are open and where we are not seeing a no travel advisory, it is still tough going out there. Temperatures this afternoon, now we are talking about that cold that's settling in, 0. High temperature today in Bemidji and Wadena, 10 below in Grand Forks, 7 below in Fargo and Valley City, 5 below in Oaks. So let's talk about your hour-by-hour forecast through the rest of this afternoon. We're going to continue to see some gusty north winds, and that area of light snow that we do have will gradually push out, with the clearing conditions continuing up into areas like the Devil's Lake Basin. But temperatures are going to plummet. It's looking very, very cold through the rest of today and into tonight. Your Fargo planner looks like this. Sunset tonight, 6:03, and temperatures diving down into 7, 8, teens below zero as you're waking up tomorrow morning. An hourly planner in Fargo will start out around 19 below zero by the 8 a.m. hour, and we remain below zero all day, but some good news, we're going to see some sunshine and not nearly as much wind. Tomorrow afternoon, again, temperatures stay sub-zero, and JC, we're going to stay sub-zero the rest of the week until Friday when we start to see some improvement into the weekend.
Perfect for cross-country skiing.
Yeah, especially. It'll be a little breezy by Saturday, but not nearly as windy as we
With the
have
fresh
been.
powder. Thank you, Summer.